hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Winter storm warning in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. What's heavy snow? Snow accumulations of 4 to 9 inches with a higher amount in the vicinity of Rocky. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Southern Herkimer County. When? Until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact this evening and the Friday morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details, snowfall rates may reach an inch an hour tonight. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.